In this video I would like to demonstrate how you can use the AirTurn Bluetooth MIDI or keystroke controller in order to control videos over FiveLoop on an iOS device. So we're going to use the keystroke mode because Bluetooth over MIDI is not really working that well from my experience. So what we need to do is turn the controller on by pressing the power on button here, and we see that the blue LED is flashing, so it's ready for pairing. And now we enter the setting in the iOS device, go to Bluetooth and turn Bluetooth on and wait for the device to show up, and actually we see it is already connected, BT200S, as I connected it previously with this device, with this iOS device. If you haven't done so, it would show up as a new device and you just press it in order to connect it. We see also the LED changed right here, and now we go into FiveLoop again. And what we'd like to do is use the 6 mode with this controller. As I mentioned earlier, it has different modes, MIDI and keystroke, and we use the 6 keystroke mode. We have to press and hold the function button and wait for the LED to flash 6 times, and after it flashed 6 times we can release it again. So we press it, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and release it. Now it's in the keystroke mode. So now what we want to do is assign those buttons or those keystroke buttons to the functions. We need to scroll up a little bit to see the menu button again on the top right. So we go ahead and enter the menu in FiveLoop, and we can see, if we scroll a little bit down here, learn keystrokes, we need to press the start learning mode now. And we can see that the buttons here on the bottom turn blue, and we press the button that we would like to assign now. Rewind. Now it is listening for a keystroke, and we press the button on the controller and it's assigned now. We do that the same with the rest. Play, pause, forward, speed down, speed up, and loop. Now we press stop learning mode and exit the menu. And now let's go full screen. Now we can use the AirTurn controller or Footswitch controller to control the video. Let me demonstrate.
Is that now because so we'll do something in the